20 famous quotes from film The Man Who Wasn't There 2001 Part 1. The Man Who Wasn't There is a neo-noir film directed by Joel Cohen that explores the life of Ed Crane, a barber living in 1940s California. Ed is a quiet and unassuming man who is content with his mundane existence. However, his life takes a dramatic turn when he becomes involved in a murder plot. The film's narrative unfolds slowly and deliberately, building suspense through its atmospheric cinematography and enigmatic characters. Ed's journey is filled with danger and uncertainty as he navigates the murky world of crime and corruption. The film's ending is ambiguous, leaving viewers to ponder the nature of fate and the consequences of one's actions. The Man Who Wasn't There is a masterful exploration of themes such as identity, destiny, and the American dream. The film's understated performances, evocative score, and noir aesthetic create a captivating and unforgettable cinematic experience. Ed Crane, I don't know where I'm being taken. I don't know what I'll find beyond the earth and sky. But I'm not afraid to go. Maybe the things I don't understand will be clearer there, like when a fog blows away. Maybe Doris will be there. And maybe there I can tell her all those things they don't have words for here. Redenschneider, the more you look, the less you really know. It's a fact, a true fact. In a way, it's the only fact there is. Ed Crane, he told them to look not at the facts, but at the meaning of the facts. Then he said the facts had no meaning. Ed Crane, life has dealt me some bum cards. Or maybe I just haven't played them right, I don't know. Ed Crane, I'm not a man of many words, but I'm a man of action. Ed Crane, I've been around long enough to know that things aren't always what they seem. Ed Crane, sometimes, you just gotta do what you gotta do. Ed Crane, I don't trust anyone. Ed Crane, I'm not afraid of dying. Ed Crane, I'm just tired of living. Niles, you're a man of mystery, Ed. Niles, I've got a proposition for you. Niles, it's a risky venture, but it could be very profitable. Ed Crane, I'm not interested. Ed Crane, I just cut the hair. Ed Crane, it's a free country, or don't you read the papers? Ed Crane, you know how they say it's gonna hit you like a freight train? Well, it didn't. The freight train was already there. Ed Crane, I was a ghost. I didn't see anyone. No one saw me. I was the barber. Ed Crane, I was an accomplice to murder and fraud and other assorted felonies. I was a barber. Ed Crane, it's like pulling away from the maze, seeing it whole. But for the first time, it was no longer mine. Ed Crane, me, I don't talk much. I just cut the hair. Ed Crane, I may have killed her, but I loved her. Freddie Redenschneider, the more you look, the less you really know.